Hi, my name is Ankit. I am from Karnal, Haryana. I have done my graduation from the Government Engineering College, Nilokedi in 2024. After completion my graduation, I am looking for the job opportunity, but not getting any revert back on the LinkedIn or Naukri.com and many more. So one of my friend told to me about the Evision technology, and I search about the Evision technology, and I take a course of networking, in which I have learned lot of things like CCNA, window administrator, Windows server, basic networking, and many more things. After completion of my course, I got a different type of calls or mails from the different companies, and I got approx 20 to 30 calls regarding jobs, and I have cleared 15 to 20 jobs, and in finally I joined the Bharti Airtel as a network engineer, and I really enjoy my experience. So thank you Evision for the support. Thank you.